Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, students. Let me continue with exercise 2.5, fifth Roman number, where you have to do the factorization. So factorize, first one is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. When you get a square plus b square plus c square itself, you have to take only the identity a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square. So you know 4x squared is a perfect square, 9y squared is also perfect square, and 16z squared is also a perfect square. So how do you write that? 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 4z the whole square. But here you see the first, in this term it is plus and here it is minus and here there is a minus, which means any one of the term, that is a or b or c, must be negative. So how to identify whether a is negative or b is negative or c is negative? So which two terms are negative here? Minus 24yz and minus 16xz. In that, which is common? Which is the common variable here? Z is the common variable. Which is common? Z is the common variable, which means that z only must be minus. So instead of 4z, we have to write minus 4z, because you know minus 4z also, if you square minus power even number is always positive, and 4z the whole square is 16z squared, right? So how we found z is minus? Because these two terms are minus and in this the common variable is z. So we have to take the z only as minus. So here it is in the form of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So it is nothing but 2ab, 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c. What is c? Minus 4z plus 2 into c into a. So when you multiply all this, you 2x the whole square is 4x squared, 3y the whole square is 9y squared, minus 4z the whole square is 16z squared, and here if you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy are you getting, and here it is plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24yz, are you getting this term, and here again there is plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8, 2s are 16zx, are you getting the same? So this thing, that is 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16z squared plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz is written in the form of 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus minus 4z the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x. So it is in the form of a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square. So here c is minus 4z, so I have written as it is. So this can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z, because you know in general x squared can be written as x into x. So here also 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square I have written as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Let us see the next sum. That is sixth Roman number. Write the following cubes in expanded form. Write the following cubes in expanded form. So the first one is 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So it is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So what we have to find? 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So in the place of a, what do we have? 2x. In the place of b, what do we have? 1. So a cube, so 2x the whole cube plus 3 into 2x the whole squared into b is 1 plus 3 into a into b squared is 1 square plus b cube is 1 cube. So what is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. X power 3 is x cube plus 3 ones are 3 into what is 2x the whole square? 2 if you square you get 4, x you square you get x squared plus 3 into 2x. What is 3 into 2x? 6x into 1 squared is 1 plus 1 cube is 1. So it is 8x cube plus 3 4s are 12x square plus 6x into 1 is 6x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 whole cube is 8x cube plus 12x square 14x square plus 6x plus 1. Let me teach you one more with minus, that is x minus 2 by 3y the whole cube. So it is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So what we have to find? X minus 2 by 3y the whole cube. So in the place of a, what do we have? X. In the place of b, what do we have? 2 by 3y, not minus 2 by 3y. 2 by 3y, because we are using the identity a minus b the whole cube. So this minus is the same. So in the place of b, what do we have? Only 2 by 3y. So it is equal to x the whole cube minus 3 into a is nothing but x the whole square into what is b? 2 by 3y plus 3 into what is a here? X into what is b? 2 by 3y the whole square minus 2 by 3y the whole cube. So what is x the whole power 3? X cube, and this is in multiplication. So 3 ones are gets cancelled. So first you have to write the sign minus 2. What is x power the whole x the whole squared? X squared, and there is one more y, and here we cannot cancel because there is a square. Only after squaring we can cancel. So first multiply 3 into x, 3x into what is 2 squared? 4 by what is 3 squared? 2 by 3 the whole squared is 4 by 9 y squared minus 2 cube is 8 by 3 cube is 27 y cube. Now it is in multiplication. I can cancel 3 ones are 3 3s are. So it is equal to x cube minus 2x squared y plus what is the constant here? 4 by 3 x y squared minus 8 by 27 y cube. So x minus 2y 2 by 3y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 2x squared y plus 4 by 3 xy squared minus 8 by 27 y cube. Is it clear, children? Let me move on to the next one. 7th Roman number. You have to evaluate using identity. Evaluate using identity. So what is the? I'll do the second one, that is 102 the whole cube. Now we have to use some identity here. So 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 the whole cube, right? So it is in what form now? A plus b the whole cube. Okay. So what is a plus b the whole cube? You know a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. You need to write the identity for each and every problem. So in the place of a, what do we have? 100. In the place of b, what do we have? 2. So 100 the whole cube plus 3a square. So 100 square into b 2 plus 3 into a into b squared. So 2 squared plus b cube. So 2 the whole power 3. So what is 100 the whole cube? It is 10 lakhs, 6 zeros. Okay, so it is 10 lakhs plus 3 2s are 6 into what is 100 square? 10,000 plus 3 into 100 is 300 into 2 squared is 4 plus 2 cube is 8. So it is 10 lakh plus 6 into 10,000 is 60,000 plus 300 into 4 is 1,200 plus 8. So let us add all this. So it is 10 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 1,200 plus 8. When you add this, you get 10 lakh 61,208. So 102 the whole cube is 10 lakh 61,208. Is it clear, children? Next one is 998 the whole cube. It can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. So it is in the form of what? A minus b the whole cube. So what is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. So 998 the whole cube is, what is a here? 1000. What is b here? 2. So a, that is 1000 the whole cube minus 3 into 1000 the whole square into what is b? 2 plus 3 into 1000 into what is b? 2 square minus 2 cube. So what is 1000 the whole cube? 1 and how many zeros? 3 zeros. If you cube it, it will become 9 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 3 2s are 6 into what is 1000 the whole square? You get 6 zeros. So it is 10 lakh plus 3 into 1000, 3000 into what is 2 squared? 4 minus 8. 2 cube is 8. So it is actually it is 100 crores minus 6 into 10 lakhs is 60 lakhs plus 3000 into 4 is 12,000 minus 8. So we need to add the positive numbers separately, that is 100 crores and 12,000. So you get 100 crore 12,000 and this negative numbers you have to add separately. So you get minus 60 lakh and 8. So these are two numbers with the different sign. So I need to do the subtraction. So when I subtract, what do I get? Seven digit. Okay, so I need to start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So when I subtract 2 9 9, here it is 1 1 0 4 9 9. So it is 99 crores 40 lakh 11,992. So 998 the whole cube is equal to 99 crores 40 lakh 11,992. This addition, subtraction and all you need to do it in the rough column, children, right? Next you need to do the factorization again. Factorize. 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135a plus 225 a square. When I look at the first two terms, 27 is a cube of a number, that is 3 cube, minus 125 a cube is 5a the whole cube. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. You know there is an identity which contains a cube minus b cube. What is that? A cube minus b cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared is nothing but a minus b the whole cube. So this I can write it as minus 3. What is a here? 3. So 3 into a cube minus b cube minus 3a squared. So minus 3 into 3 squared into what is b? 5a plus 3 into what is a? 3 into what is b squared? 5a the whole square. So when I multiply this, 3 into 3 squared is 9, 3 9s are 27 into 5 is 135a, and here again 3 3s are 9, 9 into 5 squared is 25, 25 into 9 is 225 a squared. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, that is nothing but a minus b the whole cube. So it is 3 minus 5a the whole cube. So it can be written as 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Let me teach you one more so that it will be clear for you. 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p squared plus 1 by 4p. So you know again these two are a cube of a number. So it can be written as 3p the whole cube minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. So here again it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So what is that? You know, a cube minus b cube means you get the other two terms as minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. So that is nothing but a minus b the whole cube. So what is a here? 3p. What is b here? 1 by 6. So minus 3 into a squared into b plus 3 into a into b squared is 1 by 6 the whole square. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. So it is nothing but a minus b the whole cube. So it is a minus b, that is 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Next we have to verify. What do you mean by verify? If they tell you to verify, which means, see this problem given, it is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. You know this is an identity, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Already I have given you this, but you have to verify this, which means we have to prove LHS and RHS are equal. So here you you can't do anything with this x cube minus y cube, right? So what I am going to do is I am going to take the right hand side, that is what is RHS? RHS means right hand side. What is that? X minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. This is nothing but a multiplication of two algebraic expressions. So for that what you do? X into this x squared plus xy plus y squared. Similarly minus y into this. So minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. You know x into x squared is x cube, x into xy is x into x squared y plus x into y squared is xy squared minus y into x squared is minus yx squared minus y into plus xy is minus x y into y squared minus y into plus y squared is minus y cube. Here you see plus x squared y and here there is minus x squared y. Similarly plus xy squared minus x square xy minus xy square, they get cancelled. So what is left out? X cube minus y cube, that is nothing but your LHS. So we have proved RHS is equal to LHS. In verification problem, either you can prove LHS is equal to RHS or LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Hope it's clear, children. Thank you.